Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Jasmy, we are trading approximately at 0.004798. So far, 24-hour volume, we're down 54%, and then our market cap down 0.43%. I want to take the time here to thank everyone who had commented. Thank goodness that Jasmy, again, based on your comments, is only that 1%. So hang in there, you guys. We may see a dip, just a small dip in there, but hopefully a lot of people do stay with Jasmy because it's a very good project in my opinion. But let's go ahead and take a look at the chart. So far in this day's candlestick here, we do see a growth of momentum of our MACD line. We do see an extension of spaces between the MACD and our signal line. So we may see again still a lot of bearish selling going into today, but I'm going to switch it over to 4 hours and the 2 hour time frame because I want to show you guys a continuation of a divergence that I've seen. So what we're seeing in the 4 hour time frame, we're seeing consolidation, just simply meaning that the price is moving from support up to an area of resistance and then down to support. So there's really not dominance in the bulls or the bears itself, because if we were to see that, we would have even we would either see a break through our support coming down to our secondary support at the 4587 or a break above coming up to our fib retracement at 61%. But taking a look at our 4 hour time frame, this is the divergence that I wanted to show you guys. So here we see at the very top here of our RSI, we see the RSI climbing, but of course, the divergence on the chart here, we see the price declined while we saw the RSI increase itself. So that is essentially a continuation of this bearish divergence. And if we haven't seen it already, here we have our candlestick at the very top here showing favors of the bears coming into the marketplace because we have this long candlestick wick at the very bottom of this range of our candlestick. So of course we see that going into today's 4 hour time frame. We do see the momentum slowing down here on our MACD indicator, but be careful because we can observe our MACD line and our signal line below the 0% line itself. So that does still initiate that bearish wave. And of course, the candlestick opening up bigger than the previous candlestick here shows that momentum of the bears rallying up here. So another retest at the very bottom of the outskirts of our support is where essentially I'm going to be seeing. Again, in the 2 hour time frame, yes, the MACD indicator switched from the red over to the green. That wave is pretty scary. Switched over to the red, over to the green momentum. However, again, through this consolidation, normally whenever we see the flip from the red over to the green, we're expecting that area and that price point to come up near the resistance. So here's the candlestick here that came up near that resistance level, but with that lack of momentum from our MACD line, it didn't penetrate through the area of resistance. So again, that gives us another hint that the bulls are not pushing the price to where they want it or as aggressively as they want it. So we want to question, is there buyers out there that do want to push the price up to the resistance level? Okay. Another thing here on the 2 hour time frame is we do see that continuous divergence once again. So here's a bigger divergence that we see. I'm just going to delete that line there because that was the divergence that we saw, and then kind of just remove our ribbon here so it's easier for us to see. So divergence again, focusing on our RSI, we see the RSI increase from this point here, Tuesday, all the way to the previous point here that we see. And again, price action was decreasing while the RSI was increasing. So again, this is the same continuation divergence that we saw on the 4 hour time frame, but it's more maximized in the extension of the price along with the RSI. So we are going to see a continuation of this bearish trend, and we may again break right through this area of support and going into that other wave that we saw from wave 5 coming down to that area of support. And if we take a look on our daily time frame, again at the very bottom of the outskirts of our volume profile of our supply and demand. So that's kind of what I saw in today's chart. Definitely let me know what you guys see as well down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye.